Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 4 types of foods that can cause food poisoning in old age. Foodborne illness from pathogenic microbes is at greater risk with age. Gut disease from what you eat is unpleasant at any age, but the stakes get higher the older you get. Older people are more prone to serious illness from food poisoning that could end up in the hospital, says Patricia Griffin, MD, head of the CDC's Intestinal Epidemiology Unit. Nearly half of people over 65 with confirmed foodborne illness due to Salmonella, Campylobacter, Listeria, or E. coli end up hospitalized. Here are 4 types of foods that can cause intestinal illness. 1. Chicken, beef, pork and turkey. Insufficient cooking and cross-contamination are 2 of the biggest risks associated with meat. Wash your hands, keep raw meat away from other ingredients, and cook chicken, beef, pork, and turkey at a safe temperature. Ignore recipes that recommend rinsing raw meat with water. This practice does not make your food safer, and splashing water can spread germs from raw meat to other foods, utensils and surfaces. Always ensure that the meat is sufficiently cooked. 2. Fruits and vegetables. A product can pick up germs anywhere along the way, from the farm where it was grown to the store where it was sold, even from your kitchen counter when you bring it home. Proper flushing is the key to safety. Before and after preparing any food, wash your hands with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Trim off any damaged or bruised areas before cooking or eating. 3. Seafood. Vibrios are bacteria that live in seawater. They can cause an infection called vibriosis, which poses a significant health risk to people over 65. They may also contain norovirus, which can cause diarrheal symptoms in older people. 4. Sprouts. Eating raw or lightly cooked sprouts of any kind, such as alfalfa, mung bean or clover, can lead to food poisoning by harmful microbes. The reason is that because seeds, grown in warm and humid conditions, provide nutrients to the sprouts, they also stimulate bacterial growth. As it germinates, not only does the sprout grow happily, but the bacteria grow successfully. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.